Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing lunch for the family with my brother here who's having a hard time peeling this garlic. But anyways, we're making an Indian plate called mushrooms butter
Masala.
yeah, mushrooms butter masala. So I'll show you how we make it and our step-to-step process here. He's helping a lot, so I'm loving this. I'm a good brother. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step is I put some water in the pan and we have the mushrooms already cut and we're gonna put it just to boil it for 5 minutes. Put it in. Okay, perfect. So 5 minutes boil and then we'll check on it. And then in another pan we're gonna have butter. I'm gonna put some butter, let it melt for a little. And then we're gonna put some jeera. And then we're gonna put black pepper. And then we're gonna put this. So I have 2 bay leaves, I have cinnamon sticks, 2 green cardamoms, and 1 black cardamom. And now we put everything. And stir it a little bit. Okay, now we have garlic and ginger ready to be put in the pan. Okay, so now we put it in. And mix. And now we can put the onions in the pan. It's already cut. You can cut it into big pieces because it will be mixed anyway. So it's fine if it's not that small. There you go. So let it cook for 3 minutes. And now you can put in the tomatoes. Again, it doesn't have to be that small because we're gonna blend it in. And we're gonna let this cook really good. And once it's done, we're gonna put it in the machine. So now it's all soft and ready to be mixed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be removing all the stuff that I put, like this big stuff, because I don't want it to be mixed. So I'm just gonna remove that and then I'll be putting it in the mixer. Okay, so we have the stuff in the mixer and now we're gonna mix it. So we have the paste ready. Now we're gonna move on to step 3 and the final step. We're gonna mix this with some spices and then I think we should be like ready to go. Are you excited to try our dish?
Yeah.
I'm using the same pan, guys, sorry. And then we're gonna be putting butter. And then we're gonna put turmeric, this guy. And then 2 corianders, like 2 spoons of coriander powder, I meant. Yep. And then 2 spoons of chili. 1 and 2. And then we put the paste. And now we're gonna put salt to your taste. And then we have kasuri methi and we'll be putting it in the paste. Yep, just like that. And then I'll be putting the mushrooms in, finally. Then we're gonna put the good stuff, cream. Yeah. Okay, that's it. And then I'm cutting some coriander, which is the secret to many dishes, many Indian dishes. And like many people love it. I know some people hate it, but actually it's
Like
really
her friend.
but it's actually really good. Like it makes a whole difference to the dish. So I'm gonna be putting some coriander and we'll call it a dum dish. So coriander. Okay guys, moment of truth. So we have some served. Don't make it fall. And we're gonna try and see how it is. So let's see. Ready? Cheers. Okay. Not to brag, but it's hitting. It's good. How would you rate it 9 to 10? I mean 1 to 10.
10.
You said it. 10. And obviously we're gonna eat this with rice, but this is just giving us an opinion about our dish. liked it. And if you try it, comment down below and give us your opinion. Do you have anything to say? It's a little spicy, but not too bad. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Come on, you're not gonna say subscribe, like, and comment?
Subscribe.
Like
Like.
and
Follow.
yeah.
And comment.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys.